Physics.
Physics, class 9 physics. Class 9 physics, and what is that? Chapter 4. This chapter name is flotation. Flotation. Okay. Yes. So these five things are coming in chapter 4, class 9 physics, flotation. So what is liquid pressure? Liquid pressure is exerted. The liquids, all liquids are made up of tiny molecules. So these molecules, the tiny molecules, these are called molecules. See, everything is made up of solids, liquids, and gases, right? So do you know this solids, liquids, and gases? Okay, so solids, liquids, and gases. The molecules which are drawn here, the diagram of the molecules are tight. Do you know it? They are tightly packed. They are tightly packed in them. Okay, so what is the definition of the solids? The molecules of solid is tightly packed. The force of attraction, they are tightly packed. You have observed that these molecules cannot be seen by the microscope also. These molecules cannot be seen by the microscope also. Okay, so these are the molecules of the solids. What are the molecules of liquid? These are the tightly packed. Molecules of liquid are loosely packed. Molecules of liquid are loosely packed. Molecules of liquids they can flow. Okay. Yes. When we pour liquid on the floor, they will move to here and there. Why? Because this low. Okay. What is that? Gases. Gases molecules are very loosely packed. Gases molecules are very loosely packed. They can move in the certain region. So these are the molecules of the three states of matter. Three states of matter. Okay, three states of matter: solids, liquids, and gases. So their molecules are like this. Okay, so this help us to define the liquid pressure. For example, experimental demonstration of the liquid pressure. Okay, so we'll do here. You have to do one process. Okay, you have to do one activity for this. You have to take vessel. You have to take a vessel.
Side okay.
Okay, you have to take a vessel, fill it with this much of water. Okay, you have to take a vessel and fill it with 100 ml of water. Fine. So in which liquid you have to pour? Liquid nitrogen. You have to pour which liquid? Liquid nitrogen. 100 ml liquid nitrogen in a vessel. Okay. Then you will see that this liquid nitrogen is going through that upward vessel or upward open area. It is going out. Why? Because the pressure exerted by the liquid nitrogen water. The same when you put a hole here. When you do a hole here, the liquid nitrogen is flowing. Any liquid is flowing from here. And when you put your finger inside, that liquid nitrogen again flowing from the upward direction, because this gate is closed. This gate is closed and this is open. So where it is open, it will go, and where it is no open area, it will blast. Okay. Yes. So liquid nitrogen has to be in an open area. If that is it is very small or anything, if there is nothing, it will blast at the same moment. Okay. Yes. So liquid pressure we have seen. Okay. So example of liquid pressure over. Now example of liquid pressure now we are going to study. What is the example of liquid pressure? diver wears a metallic cover before going into the sea. Fine. So the first example is the diver wears a metallic cover before going into the sea. Why? Why everybody knows that it wears a metallic cover? Why? Because what is the sea water? The sea water is saline. The sea water is salty. So the force exerted by the outward nature, it is going attraction in the water, and for the same it wears a cover. Okay, the same thing here. Second point, the dam walls are thick at the bottom, and thin at the oh, so the dam walls are thick at the bottom and thin at the upward walls. Why this is? See, the dam water is coming from the rivers nearby. Yes. So the force is, see, you have seen that the dam, when there is a dam, the water are coming very fastly from the what is the water, okay, from the rivers, lakes. There the water is coming very fast. So you have seen in the dam walls you have seen the very thick. I will draw a diagram of a dam. See. Okay. So if here is a path. Here this is the road. Okay. And this is the bridge. Okay. So here is the dam bridge. I have drawn the figure of the dam bridge. So you have noticed that the thing coming. It is growing larger, and there is more thickness at the bottom of that. Why? Because the water is coming. Because the water is coming very fast, and these thick walls stop the water, and these thick walls make that water slowly move to not make flood in the village. That is why this thickness is made up of the main reason is about the flood. Okay. Yes. This is the main reason. Okay. Yes. Okay. And yes. Now we are going to talk about the buoyancy. What is buoyancy? See, you have to take a tub of water. You have to take a tub filled with water. Filled with water. Filled. Okay, so you have to make a tub filled with water, and you have to take substances, many substances, and you have to check them that they are sinking in water or they are floating in water. First you have to rubber, eraser. Eraser will sink in water. Okay, eraser will sink in water. Iron nail will sink in water. Iron nail will sink in water. Iron clips will sink in water. Iron clips will sink in water, and the wood will float in water. The wood will float in water. The sponge will float in water until the water get inside it, spongy surface, and then it will sink in water. Sponge. Okay. S. And then you have to S. Water. See, you have noticed that the 1 gram iron nail will sink in water, but in lakes, 1,000-ton ship will not sink. The main reason is density. The main reason is density. This density, all that process is made up of density. So now I want to study what is density. Density is equal to see. Density equal to object mass by volume. Object mass by volume. Okay, yes. So you have understand the definition of density. So the iron nail density is more than the water, and the ship density is less than the water. So ship floating water. Okay. Yes. So thank you, and this is our end of our session. In next class we will study these two topics. Okay. Okay. So in next we'll see, we have seen that liquid pressure, example of liquid pressure, buoyancy, Archimedes principle, verification of Archimedes principle. Okay, so these all topics are of the chapter 4, class 9, chapter 4 flotation of class 9 physics. Class 9 physics. Okay. Yes. So what is Archimedes principle? Archimedes principle is the type of it is exerted by the water, and in that the Archimedes, yes. So what is Archimedes principle? Archimedes principle is the type of principle that 1,000 of years ago there lived Archimedes that when they're going in their bathtub, when they're going in the bathtub, when they are putting their body inside the full water, they have seen that the water is going out of the tub. Why? Because that in that much only they have put their body inside. So that is why they told this everywhere. So this Archimedes principle states that then an object falls in water and it pulls the direction of the water and it pulls the force and of the water. Okay, so this is the definition of Archimedes principle. And what is the verification of Archimedes principle? Verification of Archimedes principle is that you have to take a spring balance. In spring balance, you have to tie a wood and you have to keep in the air. You will see that there is 9 mm, anything 9 mm, and when you put in the water, it will reduce and it will become to 6 mm. Okay, so this is this states that in the open area the mass is heavier and in state of water the mass is very low because of the verification of Archimedes principle. Okay, so thank you, and in next class we'll study more about this chapter, flotation.